Samina minasan kalewa. Anawa aka.
Yeah, me too.
Namaste, good morning. One more day in Udaipur.
This is our fourth day here because, as you can see, the weather wasn't cooperating with us.
It's so great, and we literally extended day after day waiting for the sun to come, but the sun didn't show up for us, so we're gonna leave.
Yeah, we did all the major touristy things, like the city palace and the main temple. We didn't do the sunset points because, for obvious reasons.
It's so foggy, we wouldn't be able to see anything.
But if you do come here, do hire a scooter because it's 400 rupees per day. So very economical. And you can go explore the lakes and the jungle because it's very forested around.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Make sure you stay in a place that has rooftop, or that you can go to some rooftop cafe because the view is so stunning. We're just gonna go for another walk, go to some ghats and just breathe in Udaipur magic before we leave.
Yes. I want to say, like, my first impression of Udaipur is very different to other northern Indian towns. It's got a very European feel. And that's something that Western tourists really like because it's got very good reviews, and all the Indian people also recommend Udaipur for this very reason. But it's like, did we come to India to experience Europe? For me personally, not really.
Not really, but it is really beautiful. For me, this is literally Venice from India. Cheaper and as beautiful as.
Yeah. The nature around is very majestic because it's very green. So the hills are very green, and the lake is not just like a one circle, but it's like meandering and different
the mountains
islands and the hotels in.
And the palaces are so stunning. But I do miss cows roaming freely on the streets. And that's why I came to India. I want cows. Oh, you can do both here. Namaste. Hi.
Hello. Good
What's
morning.
your name?
Shakir.
Shakira.
Oh,
Shakira now. he think your name is Shakira. Waka Waka.
Tom Cruise, there you go.
Shakira and Tom Cruise.
Just like me. And he wears heels, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
And your name?
Yasmin.
Yasmin. It's a Indian
Nice
name.
to meet you. Yeah.
Yasmin.
My mom loves it. So yeah. We're just going for
She's from Brazil.
Brazil.
São Paulo?
Salvador.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
When you
too.
arrive here?
We're leaving today. We've been here for 4 days.
Really? I see you first time here.
Yeah. First time walking this alley.
Yeah.
This is the Lalgat.
This is Lalga.
Yeah,
Okay,
we just
go.
came to
We
see
go
the ghats.
explore.
You want to explore Lalga.
Yeah.
Where are you staying here?
Gilliard.
Green. Nice place.
Couldn't do a boat tour, no?
Today.
You want to go
Yeah.
to boat too? But then you need to wait for people. Because you see, it's a big boat. And I mean, it will be sharing boat.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it will take time, while
People don't come with
people do more boat ride in the evening.
in the evening. But we leave today.
We have bus
And the
6:30.
other days was rainy, so we didn't want.
So can you make a video of my tuk-tuk?
Yeah, come here.
And
Can you follow us and share with your friends?
Yeah, I follow you.
We love our Indian followers. Let me see, where's the tuk-tuk? Wow. So how long have you been driving here?
Last 12 years.
12 years. Are you from Udaipur?
I'm from Udaipur.
You've got massive
Super!
speaker.
White and black. Looks like a limousine.
Yeah.
Looks like a limousine. I love it.
Disco tuk-tuk. No, they say auto here, not tuk-tuk.
Yeah, auto, right?
Auto.
So in India, they
Thailand,
don't say tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
They call it auto.
Auto, yeah.
Yeah, okay, amazing. Yeah, we
Make
just...
video of you, you sit here.
I drive tuk-tuk before, you know?
Yeah.
Can I drive yours?
If you want, yeah.
I'm not really good. I'm not really good. The guy was helping me. It's really yours is automatic.
It's not.
Oh, so hard because you have to do the gear and go up.
Yeah.
So hard. And I'm like, we go for a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All
So what
right.
is your
Follow
Insta?
us.
Yeah. इसको follow करना पड़ेगा.
What's your favorite song?
गाना.
Shakira.
Gata nas, samina mina, waka waka, samina mina zangalewa, anawa anka, waka 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 waka. You've been with this song forever.
This
For
song
like
has been stuck in my head
5 days.
One more dance.
So funny, and now everyone's filming us thinking we're the most famous people. Fake it until you make it.
And you come here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Nice
Thank
to meet
you. Nice to meet you. So we're just gonna go on the other side of the lake because there's this small island in the middle of the lake, and I've seen it from the Dreamy Art Hostel terrace that there's like a park and just looks like very photogenic. So I wanna
Yeah,
go.
and we didn't walk to the end of the road on the other side. This reminds me of Brazil in the 90s. The houses and the fences were like that.
Okay, so just gonna have an easy day. Oh yeah, I think I got interrupted. So yeah, Udaipur is very European.
Yeah.
It's very clean for
We were
northern
talking
India.
about this before, no? Before everything.
Yeah. And I think this is why Western tourists really like it because so many rooftop restaurants,
Yeah.
you can get Western food, cafes and so on. And it's nice, it was nice to chill here. But
And when it's sunny, because we got a tiny bit of sun, and you can see the reflection in the lake and everything's so magical.
yeah.
But don't need many days here, more than 3 days. 3 days enough, no?
Because then like if you have sun, you can do sunrise and sunset tours.
The boat tour.
Yeah.
Go to the mountains and it's quiet. Our hostel is here. Look at this building, how beautiful it is. Like, look at this. So that's the rooftop all the way up there. And there's some doggies.
Ah, yes.
And a kitty kitty. So there is drama happening on the street because there is a kitten with someone. All the dogs are like,
Oh really? I hope they're not putting the cat as the bait.
no, for bait for what?
For dogs to go after the cat.
What, Thomas?
No, I don't know. I'm just
The
like,
guy was proper carrying like baby. Oh no, thank you. Thank you so much, Daniela. Namaste.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Ah, you have henna?
Yeah,
High five.
What?
Hina.
Wow.
Beautiful.
She makes, she sells.
You make henna. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful shop. Daniela.
Where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil.
England.
England.
Yeah.
Sweetheart.
One more. Bye bye. So cute. The shops here are stunning. Honestly, I wish I had money and space in my bag
Yeah.
to take everything possible. But everywhere is like this, no? In India. Just
Good for shopping.
so good for shopping.
Let's go, there is a cow. They don't do anything.
Oh my god, it is touching my head.
Ah. Sun temple. Namaste. Beautiful temple. Oh wow. So there's temple and there's ladies doing laundry
Love it.
in the lake.
And
So
the
nice.
incense, the smell here is really
Incense,
delicious.
laundry, beautiful tree.
I love this.
Oh, beautiful tigressinha. So beautiful. I'm not scared of cows anymore, are you? Was just gonna say I'm not scared of cows anymore. At first when we came to India we were hesitant with cows. It's like, oh my god, how do we cross? Now I'm just like going.
happy?
Yes, very happy.
Look, come eat. She was eating, not eating. She's just here.
Come.
I'm helping her. She was eating and I'm not eating. Stop living life.
Just come. Beautiful. She's eating herself on motorbike.
Yeah. Oh my god, that was so adorable. she put the hats for me to pet.
Yes, this is what we missed in Udaipur.
Oh, I love cows.
Beautiful gate.
So beautiful.
So just walking around and there's a Krishna temple.
Krishna temple,
Krishna
yes.
temple. So
You can
nice.
go also inside.
Ah, cool. Oh, someone's spraying. No, it's okay. Because someone's spraying, yeah.
No, you also the praying. Like this.
Yeah.
3 times?
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
You go, I'll
Say
wait
like-
here. I don't want to film because there's a priest and someone's praying, kneeling down. So I'm just gonna stay out here, wait for Yasmin to finish her prayer. Yasmin just got out of the Krishna temple that we just went to by the lake, and it turns out the guy that was like with us was the shopkeeper. So this is it, like you never go to temple, literally.
And on their way out, he told us that he's painter and his whole family is a painter, and for generations, and they have a shop. And we're like, oh, but don't really want to buy anything. Don't have space, don't have willpower for shopping. It's quite busy here now.
On the bridge.
Yeah. Namaste.
Oh my god, Yasmin, that's the ghat that we could see. Look at this.
Oh no, we cannot.
And it's closed. So we walked all the way to this aisle. Oh no, we can go this way, can't we? Can we? Why not? Let's leave the shoes out.
Why are you scared?
Don't know. Because we are doing something naughty or not?
The gate was open.
But the
it's
dog is
closed
there.
anyway. It's closed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But look at this. Wow, so
Yeah.
beautiful.
The plant's called begonia. No, it's something
pink or this
Bongavilla. Bungaville, the pink one. Can't remember the name. But there is a holy cow with a holy dog taking a nap. But this hotel, Jesus Cristina, looks fab. And there is more temple dogs inside. When they awake and they start barking and growling, you're on your own.
Screaming.
I have to say, in Udaipur we had the first experience with an angry dog. We haven't had this in India at all, but here in Udaipur the other day when I was walking home about 7-8 p.m, which was already dark because of the weather, the dog was like growling, not even wagging his tail, and it was just like, God, we're not in Thailand or Bali, yeah. But it's all, oh, it's not open.
I thought you...
Okay.
Hell.
Oh!
Estupidinha.
Nice. Why don't you go swim?
But can we be here?
And why couldn't you?
Probably private property from hotel or no?
This looks like a temple and a ghat, doesn't it?
Yeah, if someone is doing their laundry, they will take a salt house there.
Yeah. And no one's saying anything. That's the
There's nowhere
hotel.
to go.
That's the hotel terrace there, the posh one. Oh, we'll see City Palace. And when we go to that park, we will see City Palace from the park because we've never seen like the scale opposite us.
Now everyone is here. We're proper influencers.
Influencers, trendsetters, stylists, you name it. And that's the Haveli,
Yes.
the famous
It's
one.
so busy over there.
Yeah, with all the birds. Okay, let's go to that park so we can see the City Palace from opposite
Okay.
side. We made it to the very end of this peninsula on the lake. So that posh fancy restaurant to our left.
It's stunning inside.
And our hostel, I swear to
Where?
God,
Is that one, no?
it's somewhere there, like literally.
I think yellow and then left one, right?
Yeah.
Or the right one.
I don't know.
On the left, because
Must be on the left because we see the temple. We saw a temple with monkeys yesterday, and we are not sponsored by Dreamy Art Hostel, but honestly the view is incredible. And from there we could see this restaurant in the evening with the sunset, with the candlelight. The view here is hello. The view here is you see the city palace from here, so it's not obscured.
I was accepting you.
Somewhere. I don't remember, so many days ago. I don't remember where I
How was your
ate.
day today?
Very good. We're gonna leave soon. We have bus today.
If we have.
Before you leave, I love to show you my work if you don't mind.
Oh.
My artwork. Doesn't matter to buy anything, but I'm happy to show you if you don't mind. It's not far, just behind this building. My house.
We already saw everything we could.
Yeah.
Just walking, taking list.
Much time. I just like to show you because I'm authentic artist.
No, so the guy like a few days ago, well, one of the many, I'm not gonna lie, was like just wanted to have food with us, but it was dark and dodgy, and I was like, I don't want to go eat.
So come to this alley, I show you a shortcut. So we're like, oh, don't think so.
Yeah, and it's like I don't really want to go eat with strangers, you know. Like I was so tired, and just when you sightseeing after a whole day, you have like drained. I don't want to have.
Also, don't need to give us excuse. No, we're not feeling like it. We're not feeling like it.
Yeah,
And
And
he
I
was,
was just-
proper asking now, where did we go? Because he was waiting for us.
Yeah.
It's like he never said we're gonna do anything.
Yeah, literally. And I was just like super drained, and I didn't want to have small talk with anyone. Just wanted to eat and go to bed. And that was it. And today he's like, oh, I'm artist, which is fine. I love seeing art. I love going to galleries and stuff. But it's like we had these requests today. I didn't even film them, but so many.
I said,
So,
no, now is no. No means no, now.
see, not maybe later. So
Yeah.
this is the corner that we're kind of like apprehensive to walk through because there's masajistas. No, there's like a massage shop, and it's like every time we go through, they insist, like literally insisting.
Because
But-
it's Ayurvedic massage, so they want to explain. It's like, let me explain how it is, and like, don't need to do it now. And I'm like, but I don't have money now. I'm not gonna do it. It's like I don't want to go inside. And absolutely every time we go, they spend at least 5 minutes now trying to
talking.
pursue.
So one day I was walking on my own to get chai, and I was like, I'm tickly. I don't want no one.
Yeah, and then when I came, because Tom was alone, I came and he was like, he's ticklish, what's your excuse? Come inside. And I was like, oh, but we're just gonna walk around, like I don't want a massage now.
Yeah.
And then today he was again for the like, what, 10th time?
Since time, literally.
Like, you, I was waiting for you. I was like, what? And he said, come, let me just explain to you 1 minute. I was like, I'm so sorry. I'm not interested in doing this now, so I'm not gonna go inside. And he was like, you don't have 1 minute of my time or your time to give it to me? And I was like, no, sorry. I'm a 34-year-old woman. I don't give my time to anyone. I like,
no, today we have show. We are short on time.
yeah.
We don't even have a bus because they cancelled.
We have so many things to do, and massage is not one of them, sadly. Maybe soon.
Yeah.
But
I wouldn't even have massage there anyway because of the insisting. It's like because you're so annoying. It's like I just want to get through like a rocket to the moon. I don't want to spend 1 second listening to you. I would go to somewhere else where they're quiet, honestly.
yeah, this is one of the things that bother us a bit in India, but I think it's my biggest criticism here because everything else has been completely, totally amazing.
Okay, now we're just gonna go to the busy ghat
Over there.
over there.
We are gonna walk over there. So that's literally Venice from India. There are so many pigeons, and the ghats look like the Venice canals.
Canal, yeah.
Canals. So you're gonna see if we're right or not.
And there's Rialto Bridge.
Yeah! Go! I'll take a picture from here.
Geese flying. The actual geese, yeah, or ducks. And that's it, I think, from Udaipur. We're gonna say our goodbye. Tonight we have a bus indoor, which
We don't
wasn't-
have it yet.
We don't have it yet, but the trip
We will have.
was not planned. We were meant to go to Mumbai, and then we were meant to make our way to Ellora Caves for some historical sightseeing. However, someone suggested us in a lovely hostel by local people to go to
Yeah.
Indore instead because it's a shorter journey, and it's a shorter journey overall.
And a smaller place, not too busy, not too crowded. Like Mumbai is such a massive city. We're both not really keen to do that now. and it's gonna be nice. Completely unexpected. I have no idea. I'm gonna have to research about it.
I have no idea about Indo at all.
But we are going.
Yes, so thank you for watching.
Thank you. And if you like this video, remember to subscribe. Bye.